everyone, welcome back to Saturday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 22nd to the 26th of May 2023 on Monday. Nikki was started asking some very difficult questions, and Honor and Neo finally clash over his secrets. On Tuesday, Faith suddenly finds herself answering questions about her former business partner, while Soga senses an opening on Wednesday. Faith and Funani realize they have a major problem on their hands. Isaac tried to address Braketa on Thursday. Faith tells Funani to handle Negiwe and Soga, and Neo have an awkward run-in on Friday. Things get emotional between Funani and Negiwe following some big news. The doctor has an update on Senzo. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.